Meaning of Here Comes the Bride.
Here comes the bride.
Here comes the bride.
Here comes the bride.
Here comes the bride. Here Comes the Bride is a traditional wedding march played during the entrance of the bride at most Western wedding ceremonies. Also known as bridal chorus, its composer was Richard Wagner. It gained popularity in the 19th century and has since become a staple in weddings worldwide. The song symbolizes the bride's entrance to the ceremony, signifying the transition from singlehood to marriage. Its melody is solemn and elegant, emphasizing the significance of the event. Overall, Here Comes the Bride represents a traditional and emotional moment in every wedding ceremony.